Hello YouTube, Moto Car Guy here, welcome back, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this 1934 Ford 5-window coupe street rod. Had this kit in the stash for about a year and a half now, so just now getting around to building it. It's 1/25 scale. It's got 1950 Mercury chrome wheels. It's got a 3.3, it's probably a stroker, Chevrolet motor. And then you got the chrome grille and all that. Here is the body. Here's our little small interior tube. Here's the fenders. We got seat, a window trim, I think a back part of like maybe the seat or something, or maybe it's the top part of the dash, one of the two. Here's our frame. We got our exhaust, drive shaft, steering column, our rear end, shocks, cross member, steering wheel, I think radiator hose. Some other stuff. We got our dash. Fender wells for the back, and then we got our hood. We got our radiator. I think another cross member piece. Tire backs, license plates, some taillight stuff, pedals, firewall. We got our 3 stroker parts, and for the first time I'm gonna try some wiring that I got. So hopefully it turns out well. Here's our tires. There's not a whole lot to this kit, or somewhat. There's our one-piece windshield, back glass, and headlights. We got a lot of stuff on our chrome tree, and most of it is suspension parts, and I do not like that because of the chrome and the glue. Like, it takes a while for it to set up. We got rims, grills, bumpers. We ain't got chrome exhaust, but that we got to assemble. So our valve covers, air cleaner, window trim, headlight bezels, shifter. There's our decal sheet. It's got California, Georgia, Indiana, Florida, and Michigan license. Now on to our directions. Alright, so we start off with putting our motor together. And our tires. Then we get to our interior tub. Package shelf, that's what that piece is. Shifter in, steering wheel, steering column, dash, firewall. Then we put our window frame in, fender wells, interior tub in, glass mirror. Then we get to our suspension. The only thing that is not chrome is the spindles, tie rod, and our lower cross member. Everything else is chrome for up front. Then we're putting our rear end together. There's not a whole lot of chrome, but this is just the axle shafts, torque arms, and the transverse spring. Shocks on rear end to frame, motor to frame, drive shaft, radiator. Oh, that's a tank. Saying it's water hose, base radiator hose, electric fan. And then we got a cross member for our transmission. Then we put our exhaust on, body to fenders, and then fenders to the frame. Hood together, and then put our grill on, bumpers, tires on, gas cap, tail lights, license plates, and then our headlights. And there's some optional stuff. So, alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the build video. See y'all guys later.